How you doing? This is Mike with Innovative Door, and this is the Liftmaster 2500. This is from back in '04, and this was the first line of DC motors. Came with a glow pad, which I loved. They don't make this anymore. I love this glow pad. This thing was the greatest one ever. And it's pushing down a 2283 CHI we put in. We put these in back in '04. Working flawlessly. Just got done with an oil and lube job here. You can see we got some low headroom in there because of this big beam right here they put in the garage, but we got them in. Very quiet, very slow on the way down and on the way up. There's no fast speed. These were able to take a battery, which you can see right there. These did not come with it. There it is, the 2500 by Liftmaster. Good door opener. Still got parts for it. So for all your garage door needs, call Innovative Garage Door, 630-271-9343, 630-673-0007, your one-stop garage door shop. Thanks for watching our 2500 Liftmaster garage door video.